Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. Today let us continue with our same chapter, chapter 8. Name of the chapter is measurement. And we have already learned how to measure length. And today's topic is how to measure a line segment. Our topic, chapter 8, measurement, measuring a line segment. Okay, when we measure a line segment, we have to use scale. I hope all of you have got scale, and if you take and see, you can see there are numbers from 0 to 15. When you take a small scale, we have normally a class 3 child has got a scale with the number 0 to 15. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Like that you can see. Okay. Here I will show you from 0 to 1. You can see again small lines. After 4 lines there will be one long line. Again small 4 lines you can see. Here this is called millimeter. Millimeter we can mention in mm. 0 to 1, that is 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. We can say this is 1 centimeter. And 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. Here you have seen a scale, how to measure a scale. 1 centimeter makes 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter, and after that when we reach 100 centimeter make 1 meter. This already we have seen. Okay. Then now we are going to learn how to measure 15 centimeter. Then when you get a line segment A, B, 5 centimeter. What we have to do? A, B, 5 centimeter. How to measure? You have to start from 0. Okay? Then you have to count forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see. Here till here it is 5 centimeter. Okay? Then you are getting a line segment of PQ 3.5 centimeter. Then how to measure? Then you have to count from 0 to 3 directly, and after that you can see there are lines. After 4 lines there will be a long line, and like that small lines you can find in your scale. So if you want to take 3.1 centimeter, what you have to do? You have to take from here and here you have to stop. Here you can see it is 3.5 centimeter. Okay? This I have already told you how to make, then how to measure a line segment. Now we can learn it from your book. Now let's read the chapter and understand more about line segment. Measuring a line segment. I have already taught you, when you measure, we use a scale to measure a line segment. To measure the length of a given line segment, using a 15 centimeter scale, we place the scale along the line segment such that one end of the given line segment is at the 0 mark of the scale. The number on the scale in front of the other end of the line segment gives the length of the given line segment. Okay, when you draw a line segment, we have to start up from 0, and whenever you use small children, we find a 15 centimeter scale in your pencil box, instrument box. Here you can see 0 to 1. That is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. Here in between you can see small 10 lines. Okay. In between where there is one long line also, that is we can consider as 0.1. That means 0.5 centimeter. Not 1, 5.5 centimeter. That means half centimeter. Okay. Half of 1 centimeter, half centimeter or 0.5 centimeter. 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. And here to measure the length of a given line segment using a 15 centimeter scale, we place a scale along the line segment such that one end of the given line segment is at the 0 mark of the scale. The number on the scale in front of the other end of the segment gives the length of the given line segment. Here you see, you are drawing a line segment of 5 centimeter. Here we have taken 0 to 1, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Here is a line segment of 5 centimeter. The length of a line segment AB. Here it is given line segment AB. AB is 5 centimeter. Okay. Here you are the length of the line segment PQ. We have to take 3 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Here I have already explained 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. Here you see, here we have to draw a line segment of 3.5 centimeter. That means 3 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Here 0 to 1, 1 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and here in between 3 and 4 you can see one long line. Okay, that is 5 millimeter. So we can say here it is 5 milli. 0 to 3 and again 5 millimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. Here 3 centimeter and 5 millimeter we are getting. Now draw a line segment of given length. First example, draw a line segment PQ whose length is 7 centimeter. Then step by step solution. To draw PQ, the following steps are followed. Step 1. Place the scale on a paper. Step 2. Mark a point P against the 0 mark of the scale. P and Q we have to mention. So first the 0 begin with P and then mark another point Q against 7 centimeter mark of the scale. 7 centimeter के पास Q लिखना. Then step 4, keep your pencil at the point P and move it along the edges of the ruler, keeping the ruler pressed till your pencil reaches the point Q. Here you can see P and Q. We started from 0 and ends with 7. We marked P against 0 and Q near 7. So this is line segment PQ is 7 centimeter. Now here let us see our second example. Example 2. Draw a line segment AB with which is 4 centimeter 5 millimeter long. That means 4.5 centimeter. To draw AB, the following steps are followed. Step 1. Place the scale on a paper. Step 2. Mark a point A against the 0 mark of the scale. And step 3. Take 5 small divisions after 4 centimeter. That is already small lines are there. So 5 small division again you have to make in your scale after 4 centimeter. Okay. After 4 centimeter you will make the division. Okay. Then mark on the scale and mark point B against the 5th division after 4 centimeter. You have to count. There are small lines. No need to divide. You can find already division in your scale. So you have to count forward 5 small lines, and after 4 then you mark there 5 millimeter. Then step 4, keep your pencil at a point A and move it along the edge of the ruler, keeping the ruler pressed till your pencil reaches the point B. Here you can find here 0, we have written A against the 0 and B against 4.5. Here we are getting a line segment AB of 4.5 centimeter, otherwise 4 centimeter 5 millimeter. Here exercise 8B you have to do. Write the length of following line segment. This you have to do in your copy. You draw all the line segment by using your scale. 1, here first one 0 to 5. That means line segment. Here you can give any name also. AB, PQ, XY, like that. Name also any 2 letters you mention. Then you write line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Line segment PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Here number 3, line segment XY is equal to 7 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Number 4, 0, first here you can mention ST, like that any letter you can use and say line segment ST is equal to, or QR, like that, anything you can write, and 5 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Here you can see 5th question. This you can write here. In your book also you can mention line segment QR is equal to 8 centimeter 5 millimeter, or 8 point, like that also you can write 8.5 centimeter. This way also you can write. This question B, measure the length of the following objects with the help of a scale and write their length. This use your scale and mention here the length of these things. Okay. Then this also you can measure and write. AB is equal to, like that. Measure with your scale and use. Exercise A, B, C. Please do in your copy. This B, C do in your book, and A do in your copy. C also you can do in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.